Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating less, moving more, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge? You aren't alone. Most weight loss journeys fail because we focus on starving rather than cleansing. Today, I am going to share a recipe that has transformed the lives of thousands. It's a 100% natural, cucumber-based detox drink. In the next 8 minutes, I'm not just going to show you how to make it, but I'll explain the science of why these specific ingredients work together to melt fat while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete 7-day plan to kickstart your metabolism. Ingredient 1. The cucumber, the hydrator. Let's start with our star ingredient, the cucumber. Most people think cucumbers are just water, but they are so much more. They contain silica, which helps strengthen connective tissue, and ascorbic acid, which reduces water retention. When you slice your cucumber, and I recommend using a fresh, organic one, keep the skin on. The skin contains the fiber that keeps you full. As we chop these into small pieces, think of them as sponges that will go into your body and soak up toxins, flushing them out of your system naturally. Ingredient 2. The ginger, the fat burner. Now we add ginger. This is the engine of our drink. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and showgirls. These compounds stimulate biological activities in your body when you consume them. They have an anti-obesity effect, helping food digest faster and stimulating the body to speed up digested food through the colon. Notice how I am peeling only a small, thumb-sized piece. You don't need much. Ginger is powerful. It raises your body's internal temperature just enough to trigger thermogenesis, the process of burning fat for energy. Ingredient 3. Lemon and mint, the detox duo. Next up, lemon and mint. We aren't just adding these for flavor. Lemon juice is highly alkaline once metabolized, which is crucial because a body in an acidic state struggles to lose weight. It also provides a massive dose of vitamin C to keep your energy high while you lose fat. And the mint? It's a natural appetite suppressant. If you find yourself reaching for snacks at 10 p.m., this minty infusion will help calm those cravings. It also relaxes your stomach muscles, preventing the bloating that makes your stomach look bigger than it actually is. Now, we place everything into the blender. Add about 300 milliliters of cold, filtered water. As we blend this into a vibrant green elixir, here is my secret tip. Add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases the absorption of the ginger and lemon nutrients by up to 2,000%. Watch the consistency. You want it smooth. If you are someone who struggles with constipation, I recommend drinking it without straining to get all that beneficial fiber. However, if you want a quick shot of energy, you can strain it into a clean glass. Before I give you the schedule, let's talk about mistakes. Many people make this drink and then eat a heavy, oily breakfast right after. To make this work, you must give the drink 30 minutes to work its magic. Another mistake is preparation time. Do not make this the night before. The enzymes in the cucumber and the vitamin C in the lemon start to degrade the moment they hit the air. For an 8-minute recipe to yield results, it must be fresh. Here is your plan. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days.
On day 3, you will notice your bloating is gone. By day 7, your skin will look clearer, and your clothes will feel looser. I want you to start this challenge tomorrow morning. Come back to this comment section and write day 1 when you start. Let's support each other in this community. If you found this 8-minute breakdown helpful, for more life-changing health secrets, I'm rooting for your success. See you in the next video.